Hello everyone. Empaths are like superheroes we have in this life. They're the ones that are ready to sacrifice even their happiness for the good of other people. Sadly, people try to take advantage of them. But be that as it may, they're never weary in doing what they know how to do best. The world needs these people, and here are 6 powerful reasons why this is so. But before that, please help us by clicking that like button below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any interesting updates in the future. 1. Vision. An empath who has to experience spiritual awakening has a bird's eye. This is to say that they're capable of seeing the imagery in situations. They can see things before they occur. They can quickly look at the world around them and even their bodies and understand the deeper meaning. This ability allows them to promptly disengage from situations that are not worth it and face problems worth facing. This quality is what a visionary leader is expected to possess. This means that empaths make greater visionary leaders. They bring much-needed harmony back to this world. 2. Intuition. Every human has gut feelings, but that of the empath is extraordinary. This is because they have practiced a high level of self-respect and self-esteem. The ability to maintain this high level of self-esteem helps them to be able to listen to their gut feeling. The intuition of the empath never fails him or her. They make sure not to do anything that their intuition has not guided them to do. This helps to save them from a lot of trouble and issues that they might have come across. Also, listening to their intuition helps them bring solutions to many problems in society. 3. Psychic ability. Empaths are not only emotionally gifted, they're also psychically connected. This means that an empath can spot a person who's having issues emotionally from afar. Sometimes this feeling can be so real as if the person's right before them. This helps them to connect easily with people that are close to them. These people could be family members, partners, or even clients. It also helps them to be able to seek out worried coworkers that might not be able to tell someone what they're going through. 4. Presence. In the stillness of a person's presence, it is possible to feel their unshaped and eternal reality as the unmanifested life that livens up the physical form. It is also possible to feel the same energy deep within other people around you. Empaths can easily connect with people. You can meet an empath today and become so close as if you've known each other for a very long time. Their ability to be with people is extraordinary, but most empaths shield this part of them for fear of being used by people. This particular ability of theirs makes it possible for an empath to easily gather people and convince them to have one mind and embarking on one mission as a team. 5. Power to heal. Empaths are healers. How do they do this? They come into your life, feel your pain within you, absorb as much of your pain as they can, and at the same time, make sure to try and help you out of the situation which you face. The empath will never leave you halfway. They make sure to be with you every step of the way. That is why they always get their energy drained easily, because they absorb the negative energies of people who need them. 6. Creativity. The most creative minds today in the world are empaths. This is because they're always dreaming of things. They're always working with their foresight. They're nature lovers. They always tend to spend time alone and think. They can always turn ideas into something tangible. It is safe to say that empaths bring the world of their dreams to reality. And since they're visionaries, it is also part of their job to use their abilities for the greater good of humanity. So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to join our notification squad. And thanks for watching.